All right, I've got Prince in the car. Oh, we are gonna go walk with his buddy Jack. It is currently sunny, 65, beautiful. They're talking about rain later this week. We'll see about that. It's a good day. It's a little bit busier than an average weekend day for me, but he doesn't ride well in the car. So let's go. Yeah. Warp speed, engage. Oh, thankfully it's not a park ride. Let's go. All right, I got Tucker with me. He's in the van. He's going home, which is great. Even though he's been a pleasure to have at the house, really. Oh, buddy, you good boy. He's an old yellow lab. Really can't get a much nicer dog, I tell you. I gotta stop at the vet. I gotta pick up some more meds for Paisley, and I got a whole host of dogs that gotta take care of this afternoon. TCB, and as Elvis used to say, taking care of business, baby. I am walking Randy and Gatsby. It's kind of late. Somebody's having a party. I'm having a dog party. So, hope you guys are doing well. As always, I'll see you on the next one. Come on, guys.